ito yung scenario ko. I have around 30 plus people calling me up because I have 30 plus creditors nung time na yun. And I cannot pay I cannot pay right away because I don't have enough income to pay all of these things.
Paano, sir? Ang ginawa?
Diba? Hanggang isang araw na lang, sabi ko, yung parang uutang ko dito, pangbayad dito, iniikot-ikot ko.
Tatapal mo lang.
Kinakaiting ko kinakaiting. Ang tawag doon, kiting. Diba? Yung uutang ka dito para ipasa dito, ganyan-ganyan. Hindi, it took around 5 months kong ginagawa yon. Hanggang sabi ko, hindi, lalong bumaunaw sa utang, lalong hindi ko na kaya, hindi ko mabawi.
Yes, sir.
No? 5-6 years na, wala pa sa kalahati yung binabayad ko. Isipin mo, so ano na yung feeling mo nung time na yun, diba?
Na-imagine ko lang, di ba? Oo, sir.
No? And I cannot see the light at the end of the tunnel. So I called up my pastor. I still remember that day. Sabi ko, Pastor Peter, ito yung sitwasyon ko. I'm in so much debt. People are calling me and I want to declare bankruptcy na.
Insolvency na.
Sabi ko, hindi ko na kaya. Ang advice niya sa akin, sabi niya, Steve, even if it takes you a lifetime to pay off your debt. And I said, sige, Pastor, even if it takes me a lifetime, we will pay off my debt.
So, inabot po siya ng more than a decade, sir.
Yes, 12 years. I was thankful na number one, I have a very supportive wife that did not left me.
Ay po, shout out.
Ano? Hi, honey.
Hi,
Ayan.
ma'am.
Number two, I have a very good support sa discipleship group ng church namin
That's good.
that has encouraged me to move on. And I like to share this Bible verse. Okay lang ba mag-share?
Yeah, of course.
So, nakasulat sa Biblia sa Romans chapter 5, verse 3 to 5. Rejoice in your suffering.
Uy.
Because suffering produces perseverance. Perseverance produces character. And character produces hope. So I was hopeful that one day, God will change whatever situation that I have during that time.
And you did, sir. Yeah, do not give up.
Negosyo with Joe on Capital 104.3.